parts. Thank you. Home. Sige po. Ito po yung composition ko naman, and it's called Home. I wanna go back home. I wanna go back to where it all started. I'm missing your face and I don't know if I can make it. But this road's gonna be long and this life's so short. So right now, I wanna go back home. Home. Yun po.
Nakaupo pa yan.
Thank you.
Yay! Thank you, Gareth.
Salamat po.
Sa akin po talaga sila.
Dapat video invitation na lang for
Taas ba?
video picture muna.
Masama daw ba?
Lapit pa.
Wala may picture.
Okay po. Video po.
Ready?
Okay. Ito po ang Be With Me. It's my second album, and I hope you guys can grab a copy of it. It's available nationwide in all record bars, and it's also available for download on iTunes, Apple Music, Spotify, Spinner, Deezer, and I have 2 compositions in this, so please do grab a copy, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.